Here's a quick guide how to use LooksMax AI app. This app right now is in the top charts and it's one of the most viral AI apps right now in the US App Store and worldwide. So yeah, this app, how it works, you just upload your photo. LooksMax then will analyze your traits and get your results and personalized advice. So you just upload your selfie, you upload your front selfie and side selfie, and then it just analyzes your masculinity basically. So this is the app for the boys, and then you can just share your results. You can see your results and then share it with friends, and then you can just get some tips to become more attractive. So that's where you have it. So yeah, just open up the app and here you can just go and upload a photo, upload the selfie to get your results. So you can from here go and upload your photos, and then you get your results. So here I already got some results, so I will just share it with you. By the way, you need to upgrade to reveal the results. If you're not upgraded, you need to share the invite code. So that's, you can use my invite code. If I invite 3 more friends, I will get a free reveal. You can also redeem an invitation code here, but I already upgraded, so you can just take a look how results look like and do you need an upgrade or not. So here's, for example, I uploaded the selfies and then here I have like you're 6 top 36% of men, woohoo. So yeah, there you have it. And then you have hairline, skin, eyes, masculinity, jawline, face. So that's where you have that. So that's according to this app are like important categories. So you have then you have an average jawline and cheekbones. You have full hair, have high facial symmetry, you have moderate dimorphism, have a neutral canthal tilt and almond eyes. You have skin, like whatever. So you can just see all the results. So that's what you get. And then you can just then see what you can do and some advice, how you can enhance your face. So here you have avoid covering the forehead to maintain the face natural balance. Try a classic short back and sides with some volume on the top. A clean shave on or light style works well, but so yeah. So and then you can just read some additional tips how you can improve, and even sometimes there are some nice products which you can buy literally from this app. So yeah, and it also, like, you know, the results are really depending on the quality of the photo. As you can see, I just uploaded another selfie and I got completely different result. So here you can just see here lift weights, so here you can just see all the advice, and I just wanted to show you, for example, if you want to enhance your face or whatever. But anyhow, there's just some ideas, some links to some products here you can just see, and in the bottom, yeah, that's what I was talking. You can just see some stuff and buy it if you wanna. So yeah, that's the idea, and then you can just share results on Instagram story or on Snapchat. So here, for example, you can just go and share it on your story, and then you can just tap and share it, for example. So yeah, that's the idea. If you want to delete some result, you can just tap on 3 dots in top right and then just delete result. Then you can reach out support if you want to delete your account. I guess that's what you want to do. And then yeah, that's basically the app. I upgraded, but I already canceled my subscription. So if you go to your iCloud subscriptions, either in settings app or app store, and then you can just make sure to cancel it.